welcome all to the Space Cave. My name is Bri. Let me readjust here.
There it goes. I'm Bri. I'm the creator of this unique online hub. Today I will guide you through using Space Cave to make customized creations at Bear Mode. So let's dive right in. Our journey begins at the home screen. Say you're eyeing a bucket hat but it's not quite right. Perhaps you want to add your own personal creative touch. Not a problem, you can create your own. Do keep in mind though, you need to be logged in for this. Once logged in, it's simple to start your creative journey. Click on Start Creating and unleash your imagination. Today, I'll go for a neon pink bucket hat adorned with the world's crown. And voila! With the press of the Generate button, your custom product is ready. Liking the design? Lock it in with the click of the image itself. Happy with your creation? Add it to the cart and breeze through a quick and easy checkout. Now, let's create something to complement your newly customized bucket hat. Sticking with our theme, how about a neon pink poster featuring hats and roses? Adjust the design until you're happy, and remember, the more descriptive you are, the more likely you'll generate an image that is close to what you have in mind. Then finalize the creation just like before. Next step is customization. You can alter the size to your liking, provide specific instructions to creators, and even include your preferred shipping method. Complete the checkout process and you're done for the day. Switching sides, let's log in as a creator. As a creator, you bid on items that fellow users have uploaded and paid the initiation fee for. All throughout the website, you will see 50 cents posted on items. That is the initiation fee to post the item up for a bid. Suppose that a neon hat and rose poster catches your eye. As a seller, you can now bid on it. Add a personal touch in your note to the user and wait for them to accept your bid. Now, returning back to our buyer's account, we can see that the bid by Custom Prints by Bri on our item. You can choose the bid straight away or wait to see other options. And voila, your custom order is placed and tracked with ease and assurance.